Young and strong, dressing up for having fun. Pretty sight, sparkles in her eyes all night. She went out there, everywhere people shared various opinions of her. Was not aware of the death or the fall, didn't know how far they all can go. Her mind wasn't open to the kind of tale she was never told, no. Her mind wasn't open to the kind. She was flying high above, and her eye caught a glimpse of people sharing stories from a stranger's life. To a surprise, it cut her like a knife. Surprise, surprise, cut her like a knife. What? So they told me the things people had seen. What? Yeah, she told me. Let's hear it with us. So juicy and very refreshing. More, tell us more, give me more. We want more. Yeah. This bird told the news, and it occurred to her that a black print of a life was out circulating in the night, and the sparkles in her eyes were gone. She was flying everywhere people shared color fast opinions of her stories. From a stranger's life to a surprise, it cut her like a knife. Surprise, surprise, cut her like a knife. Those sparkles can't do it again. Oh, surprise, surprise. What? So he told